everyone! Today we're going to be doing a Model Magic Challenge Day, which just means that I'm going to give you several challenges and we're going to make something and then we're going to squish it up and start over. So the first thing I'd like you to do is cut your Model Magic into a couple of different pieces and we're going to color each piece a different color. So to color our Model Magic, we're going to make a pancake. So you're going to squish that down flat onto your table so it's nice and flat like a pancake. And then you're going to color it in with a very juicy water-based marker, like a Crayola marker. You're going to color it in really solid with a juicy marker. Now remember, whatever color you pick is going to get lighter. So if you pick red, it might turn a little bit pinkish. If you pick black, it might turn gray. Once you have colored your whole pancake, you're going to roll it up into a burrito, and then you're going to squish it, flatten it, you're going to fold it over, stretch it, and pull it. You're just going to mush all that color in by flattening it, squishing it, folding it, and stretching it out over and over until it's nice and smooth. Once you're done with your first piece of clay, you're going to do the same thing to your second piece of clay so that you have a couple of different colors to choose from. Now, once you have your colors mixed into your clay, the first challenge is how many foods can you make? Now, in the demo, I'm only going to make 2 foods. The first food I'm going to try to make is going to be a fried egg. Now, I don't have the right colors to make a fried egg, but that doesn't matter. We're not really worried about that. We're just worried about trying to sculpt the clay with your fingers to make something that kind of looks like it could be a food item. So the first thing I'm going to make is going to be a fried egg. Once I'm done with my fried egg, I'm going to take that apart and try something different. Now the clay is going to stick together, so your clay is going to kind of get a little bit mixed up as you work today. I think the second thing I'm going to try to make is a piece of pizza. So I'm making that crust by flattening out my Model Magic and then cutting out the shape of a piece of pizza. And I really like pepperoni pizza, so I think I'm going to add some pepperonis to my pizza that I'm making. You can make any type of food, but I want to try to challenge you to make as many kinds as you can think of. The second challenge I'm going to give you is how many animals can you make? Now you can make their whole body or you can just make their face. That's up to you. For my example in the video, I'm going to make a dog. So I'm thinking, what are the parts of a dog's face? I would like to make a nose. I think I'm going to add some eyes to my dog, a tongue, some ears. How can I make this look kind of like a dog's face? That's the challenge here. And I want you to think about, once you make an animal, what other animals could you make? The next challenge I'm going to give you is to take all your clay and put it all together, and we're going to try to make a long coil or snake-shaped piece of clay. So we're going to open our hands up wide and use both hands to roll our clay forward and backward against the table to try to make the longest snake of clay that you can. See how long you can get it before it breaks. See if it's so long that it's as long as your whole table is. Once you're done with that, we're going to have some free time to take your clay and make whatever you want. So for the next part of our class, you get to decide what you're going to make. Maybe it's a snowman, maybe it's a little bull, Maybe it's an alien spacecraft. That's really up to you.